Guys, if you're new to the channel, just brace yourself because I'm going to say some things that are probably going to upset you, and I'm okay with that. But it also might make sense to you. Crypto has no substance behind it in its current form. It is nothing. I'd rather you buy rare baseball cards than buy crypto. This curly-haired guy, the FTX guy, I was even looking at him recently going like, he's a billionaire, but for what reason? And all of a sudden today, we find out that they're having a liquidity crunch and they've been bought up by somebody else. If you look at the news in the last year on crypto, there's been a lot of frauds going on, a lot of people being locked out from their accounts, and the same thing is happening at FTX. There was a recent, what happened was it? It was somebody who bailed them out? Crypto here. Boy, look at Bitcoin today, down 11%. Ethereum down 17%. XRP, Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin for the last year. Look at the last year of Bitcoin. Look at the last 3 years of Bitcoin. Yes, I know it's up over the last 3 years, but guys, I think the world of crypto is going to, unless there's some fundamental change. When I say fundamental change, if the US government today said, we are making Bitcoin our official crypto and we will back it, that's the only way. But even then, it's going to depend on what they determine the valuation to be. That's the only thing that matters there. And when people tell me it's a hedge against stocks, all right, cool. Year to date, Bitcoin is down 60%. How is it a hedge when the NASDAQ's down like 30%? It's down double what the NASDAQ's down. It's down triple what the S&P is down. Just because people say something doesn't make it real. I'm actually getting upset inside of me because all these idiots out there were telling me I didn't understand crypto. And you're right, I didn't understand it. That was the point. It was stupid. There was nothing to understand there. I'm not saying that it has no future, but in its current form, it has no future. El Salvador came and backed it and said, we're making crypto or Bitcoin our official. Look what's happened there. It's been a fiasco and it hasn't worked. Why? There's nothing behind it besides what some pimply high school kid thinks it's worth. I'm sorry. It is a scam and people will continue to get scammed in crypto. But could it be like the internet? I guess, but it's going to take somebody backing it that really matters. And for those of you, and I'm a libertarian, and all these libertarians love crypto. Why? Because it's all about decentralized money, blah, 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 blah. Great. Good for you. But if there's nothing behind it, at least the US dollar has the strength of the US economy behind it. And say what you want about the US economy, whatever. At least the government's willing to back it. I put my cash in 90-day treasuries. Why? Because the US government backs it. The US government doesn't have fluctuations like this. Look at the all-time chart for crypto. It looks awesome from back here. Great. Awesome. Sweet. But guys, I don't see the future of crypto. We did an interview with Monish Pabrai. He believes, and this was December of last year, he said, we believe the $3 trillion crypto market is going to zero. I had no reason to disagree with them. I said, in its current form, I agree. So unless somebody comes out there, some reputable country, and says, this is our official cryptocurrency, guys, look at the logic of it. There were at one point, I think 20,000, whatever the number is, cryptocurrencies. Why? A guy created crypto, Dogecoin, to be funny. And it went up in value. Like literally, think about this. Crypto will end up going down as the poster child of this bubble, along with Tesla and all these EV companies. It's going to be like, and we're going to joke 10 years from now, can you believe all these idiots, thought that this digital currency was going to, yeah, it's stupid. I could literally create a cryptocurrency tomorrow. What makes mine better? And it'd always be new things like, oh no, that's the old one. Ethereum's the dead one. Now it's this one. Well, why? Well, it's just this one. It's the greater fool theory. And the sad part is I just saw a lot of fools buying into it. I've not seen a single credible person besides Peter Thiel who has backed crypto. And I look at it going, hey, Peter, I think you're a brilliant man. I understand the concept behind a decentralized currency, but a digital currency. But at the end of the day, why is it going to have, besides people believing in it, at the end of the day, it only matters if people won't accept it for purchases. And I still have yet to, for anybody to tell me, yeah, I bought this with crypto, because they look at it as an asset to buy and hold for a long period of time. So why sell it? You see a lot of fraud going on with it. This is what happens during times like this. Same with real estate, same with .com back in the day. But .com still worked because they found businesses that made sense, that still managed, they still generated revenue. What do you get from owning crypto? What do you get? If I own a Bitcoin today, what do I get? My goal is that somebody else values it more than I did today. At least the US Constitution, there's another version coming out. There's another one being sold. There's 13 copies and 2 of them are held by private sellers. One was bought by Griffin last year. The other one's coming for sale in the next month or two by Sotheby's. At least that one, you can't create more of it. You might say to me, oh, you can't create more more Bitcoin. Sure, but you can create more cryptocurrencies. It's been done. How many cryptocurrencies have gone to zero in the last year? It's unbelievable. It actually aggravates me that people look at me and try to discuss it and tell me that, oh, you just don't get it. You're right. I don't get it. I don't get how people could be so stupid to believe in something like this. And for those of you out there who believe in it, offense intended. I really, truly mean full offense to you. I really am trying to be insulting to you. I don't understand this. Tim is now smacking his head going like this because he's probably like, Paul, I'm sorry. I just don't understand it. And if you look at my videos in the past, not just about crypto, but about SPACs and EVs, and now people aren't arguing with me about them anymore because, oh boy, Paul was right. Now, have I been right about everything? No, but I think in the long run, overall, I will be correct in the general ideas. Crypto is going to have a tough go. Could it still rebound from here and go to 30? I don't know. Yes, of course it could. But it's been stuck here for quite a while. Let's look at this chart for the last 6 months. Oh, I'm wrong. It's been down a lot. Last 6 months. It's still down a lot in the last 6 months. Oh boy. But it's been stuck here. In June, it hit what? 20,000. And it's basically been in that range for a while now. There's an idiot on the internet on YouTube who says that crypto is going to grow at 19% a year for the rest of time. I just did the quick math and said basically in 20 years, it's larger than the world economy, or 30 years or something like that. Come on. Come on. Don't be stupid. Go learn how to buy real investments that generate cash flow. And if you don't know how to do that and you want to buy crypto, go to the bathroom, take your money, flush it down the toilet because you're going to have zero anyhow at some point from some mistake you're going to make, whether it's crypto or something else. So if you like what I've said so far, please subscribe to our channel. If you don't like what I've said so far, please comment below and tell me what an idiot I am. Thank you.